There's somebody here from Kansas City that wants to say hi. Woohoo!
Hey, from Kansas City, you too. Woo.
Oh, and now where are you from?
Kansas City.
Kansas City. He's from Kansas City, guys. Woo! And now y'all come through here for the holidays visiting relatives?
No.
No.
We're on the way to Disney World.
Disneyland! Oh my goodness, are you excited?
Yes.
I've been to Disneyland one whole time. It was in the middle of the summer, and I just about died from the heat. Y'all are going at a perfect time because it'll just be good temperature down there, won't it?
Yeah. Perfect.
High five.
Yep.
All right, so come here.
Yeah.
Let's put you up here in front of the camera. It's recording. All right. So last time you was here, we decided to do a soap class, didn't we? And it was a total surprise, wasn't it?
It was.
It was. We had so much fun that day. But today you're going to zoom on towards Orlando.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. When are you going to hit Orlando?
Sunday.
Sunday.
Well,
Sunday.
actually, Saturday evening.
Yeah.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow evening. All right. So now tell me about your soap you've been making.
I haven't had time. We've been so
What are we
busy.
going to do with it? When's the last time you made soap?
Time I was here.
Oh,
I got
2 years ago.
I'm
But
dying, I'm
time.
dying. I gave him a whole soap. You know, in that soap class, there was everything you need to
know.
make another loaf in there.
I know.
Now I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to make.
We still got the
So-
recipe and everything. And I did it.
But I will have to say that the contents of your kit might have went rancid.
Right.
Like no rancid soap.
And I know that the fly might be dead by now. It's got a shelf life.
I'll make some for my new mom.
That's right. That's right. He's got to make soap. Well, I am so happy that you came. Now tell YouTube who you are.
My name is Christopher Winston,
And you're from?
Kansas City, Missouri.
Isn't that nifty, Kansas City? And you're heading to Orlando.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so exciting. So excited. He's grown so much in 2 years. Like you're my height. Like you're taller than freaking me. Like next year or the
His
year after
hair
that.
was this short then.
It was. If you come back again, I'll be going, hello, how you doing? All right, guys, we're going to spend some more getting together time while we can, but we're going to let y'all go. I just thought y'all might like to have some fun with us.